Travel Connections is the artwork name. It was done by KARI Foundation, who is a proud Dunghutti woman from the mid-north coast of New South Wales, who now resides in southwestern Sydney.
Our service providers, Fulton Hogan Aegis, actually asked us whether we could do something with this space, and we were able to use the KARI Foundation, which is a great foundation that Transurban does a lot of work with.
This area downstairs was a really bland, boring place and a very poor introduction into WestConnex for the people who come and visit.
The artwork was designed in and around the location that we are today, which is Homebush and southwest Sydney. The river runs basically through the Parramatta River, and then all of the roads and connections to culture come from that river. Because that river is key to this area, we thought it'd be a great piece to really showcase within this Transurban network.
The day that this was installed, I was getting phone calls and text messages. There was just a buzz in the place.
The stronger that we can be as one is the key. Really looking at the importance and connection to our country and culture and putting that into a workplace. That really brings significance to both Indigenous and non-Indigenous people who work within that workspace. And it also creates awareness and gets people thinking about the lands that they are on and the people that did come before them.
Really proud that when people come in to the M4 in future, that there's something that they can look at, and once they understand the story behind the artwork, that they'll actually be able to connect with it. So it's part of Transurban's way of strengthening communities through transport.
I can't not walk through the front door anymore. It actually gives me a lift to come to work.